From the stars he rose, the prophecy was clear. But he took one look and said, nah, I'm out of here. Clad in gold, his destiny to reign supreme. And he led in ceremony and checked his phone screen. Galaxies melt, their voices shook the sky. Y'all got Wi-Fi here, or am I gonna die? The sacred blade was placed into his hand.
Yeah, but does it open bottles? I got plans.
He was chosen, anointed, the ruler to be. But he laughed in their faces and ordered iced tea. The legends will whisper his name through the stars. Tell him I went to the beach and left y'all in charge. The emperor who said, nah. The emperor who said, nah. Sat empty, the universe shook. But he was at a taco stand just vibing, no look. Warlords swore vengeance, their armies took flight. He sent them a voicemail, town be polite. Bards wrote songs lamenting his loss. Meanwhile he's ghosting texts like a total boss. The shadowy cult formed to track down his soul.
Tell him move 3 planets over, new zip code, bro.
He was chosen, anointed, the ruler to be. But he dipped mid-sentence to go watch TV. The legends will whisper his name through the stars. Tell him I went to the beach and left y'all in charge. The emperor who said, nah. The emperor who said, nah. Anointed, the ruler to be. But he dipped mid-sentence to go watch TV. All the legends will whisper his name through the stars. Tell him I went to the beach and left y'all in charge. Who said? Who said? We know. Each one got vaporized before they could moan.
The warlord, the oracle, the merchant, the mime. None